Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing and assembly video. I'm taking out this Yaheetech decorative tree here. It's like frocked and ready to go. Alrighty. That. I think this has like built-in lights and everything. All right, let's get that out of there. Okay, and we have another portion here. So it looks like just three main pieces. There's the top, and we have a little box there. Like a ground cover, another box, instructions, and a little cap there. Okay, let's put this off to the side, shall we? All right, so we'll start out with the instructions. And here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Get the carton. Got the bottom, top one. Got the little ground cover and a plug-in. Okay, so here we go. This is a little plug-in for that. That's at the ground cover. And it looks like this will be the base here. Okay, so we'll take this out. That is pretty sweet there. Pretty clever design there. And then it has these little guys right here. We just screw these in. Keeps it where you want it to be. All right. We'll screw that one in, and then the other one here in the little base here, just to make sure that's not going anywhere. All right, now that that is done, let's see, it says put that, maybe we screw these out a little bit, because these are going to go inside of that. So we don't want to screw these in all the way, perhaps. We'll see where we're at here on the rest of this. So that goes on there. Please remember, properly protect the caps on the end type before assembling. Protective caps are not a part of this product. They're designed to help protect the product during transportation. Okay, so the protective caps are not necessary. All right, 7'5" tree. And there we are. So we have, let's see, J, is that a J on there? This is L1. So L1, we have the base, that one, and another one. So 3, that one's 3 then. Number 3. Okay, there's A, and this is A. Okay, so C is going to go. 3 is going to go on the bottom there. So that one is 3, but it should have a little label here as well telling you what it is. So here we go. Let's just set this one down in there, just like this. That goes in there. There we go. Then we can screw those down a little bit. Okay. Looks like that's just gonna kind of unfold as it goes around. Oh wow, that's easy. Clever as that. Okay. Ha! That's pretty cool. Okay, so our next one's just gonna be the same thing here, and this one is the bees, or number 2. That's just gonna go right in here. And we have our plug-in here, so we just make sure that our plug-ins line up. And we just plug these in right here. So it's got built-in lights and everything. Super easy. All right, just screw that on there. And then these, like the other ones, just kind of fold down here. Should go around and just kind of fold it down. I'm liking that. Easy to deal with. Look at that. It's so simple. And you can always, these are all on a little metal thing, so you can kind of fluff them out as desired. Does get a little bit of stuff everywhere. And then we have our other one, our other plug-in over here. Just find out where your plug-in is. Plug, find out where the other one is. And then that just sets right there on the top. We'll screw this one in also. Simple as can be. Tighten that down a little bit. That's about it. So we can fluff this up as much as we want to. If you want to like extend out the branches, make it look a little bit more full. Some people like different aspects of the tree, maybe more sparse than others or thicker. Just depends on your preference really, on how you want your tree to look. But you just kind of get it set up here. Lots of frocking on there, so it looks like it just snowed. Frocking or flocking? Okay. There's our Yaheetech sign right there. Let's just take that off of there. Okay. Well, now we just got to plug it in, really. So there's our wire under here. Okay, and that's attached with a little bit of that. Looks like a decently long wire here. That's just a twist tie holding that on there to the branches. Take that off. Okay. What else is holding that on there? Another twist tie? Looks like it. Okay, so trying to get this off of here. There we go. That one's free. And we get our wire out also. Okay. So it looks like I got quite a bit of length on the cord here, so we can tie that one securely together and bring it around over here and plug it in. Okay, so the plug-in is this little, get our plug-in over here. There we go. Okay, plug it in, then it has this little switch there, so you turn it off. And that's just like a foot switch really, so you can have it just white lights or Christmas lights, color or multiples, breathing colors, and flashing. So a bunch of different things you can do there. It definitely looks pretty cool. And then we can just fluff up our tree here and get it going how we want it to look. Like puff it out a little bit, bend these ones. Like I said, you can do it any way you want to make it look more full. Just like that, just kind of move them around a little bit. Dun, dun, dun. Just kind of grab at the base and just kind of work your way down to that. Just kind of fluff it out there, really. Not much to it. So if you keep this, you could put this away in the box also when you're done, or just leave it in the garage as is, but it stores away pretty nicely. Really compact. I like how easy the setup was. Not really a lot to it as far as just sticking it in there and then you're good to go basically. And then obviously if you had little ones, they could help you with the fluffing of the tree here. Let's turn out the lights so we can kind of get a little bit better picture of that here. Okay, here we are. Just turn down the lights a little bit. And then you can switch it up. I like how the switch is right there on the ground. So however you want the lights to go. Looks pretty nice here actually. So when you want a decorative tree, and lots of different variations there, the breathing, the flashing, the switching between. So really cool. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.